Area Hook and Rolls Toscana. Hello Wapo moving up in the middle portion. Shoulder whip. Hello Wapo Hook and Roll. Shoulder whip. Now on the outside. Never say goodbye. He's racing in for Toscana in Pilba. Now we have shoulder whip. Hello Wapo. He's running by the second. Hook and Rolls. He's racing in third. Never say goodbye. Toscana comes next, Michika, Mr. Tapler. Now we have shoulder whip, Hello Wapo, fighting it out for the leader. Hook and Rolls, he's racing in third, and followed by Toscana, never say goodbye. And it's there, shoulder whip, by the lane, Hello Wapo. Hook and Rolls, trying to get closer in third. Toscana in fourth, never say goodbye, then followed by Michika today special. With shoulder whip, still the leader. Hook and Rolls, never say goodbye, and Hello Wapo. Shoulder whip, Hook and Rolls, Arias, and never say goodbye. Hook and Rolls takes the lead, never say goodbye. Shoulder whip, he's running by there, moving upon the outside, Toscana. Hook and Rolls, never say goodbye. Toscana is on the outside as they come down to the last of the day. With Hook and Rolls running by there, never say goodbye. Toscana is on the outside. Hook and Rolls, Toscana, never say goodbye. Hook and Rolls, Toscana is on the outside. It's now Toscana. Entering the finish line, it's Toscana. Never say goodbye, Hook and Rolls. Then comes Michika.
Long shot. Race number 2, long shot na naman. Numero 2, Toscana. Crossing the wire first. At napakagandang bakbaka doon sa rekta. Kalaban niya yung limadong yung Hook and Rolls nandun. Yung second choice, never say goodbye, nandun din. Pero pati dilemma, notching the long shot win on the 2-horse Toscana.